So far, just a really comfortable ride from the Suburban. Drives very well, very smooth with the 10-speed, of course. And I can already tell off the bat, really, really nice lane keep system here. Of course, it's not a lane centering, but this one tends to keep you in pretty well, actually, without a lot of ping-ponging. At least on this stretch of road, anyway. And then it tells me to take steering. But, oh, this ride quality is fantastic coming down the interstate. So smooth. And really not bad wind noise in here. And I can hear the tires, but it's such a nice sound. I almost got hit by a bird. But especially when you have the sound system on, you'll be all right. I do wish that we had standard Bose here, but the standard speaker system is okay. I would just put, I'd probably put some aftermarket speakers in here if it were me. And one other thing I like about this Suburban, like I said, you get a lot of standard safety features, and one of them is this, I think it's called a follow distance indicator. So it lets you know how close you are to the vehicle in front of you, whether you need to back off, whether you're getting too close, or whether you're a safe distance. And I had a 16 Malibu that had that, and it really does kind of keep you on your toes, because sometimes you don't realize how close you are to the person in front of you based on speed or whatever. And it's just nice to have that there. And like I said, just such a smooth ride out of the Suburban. Very impressed. And I will say, if you're trying to not spend 80 to 90 grand on an 8-passenger SUV, I would definitely, this is the perfect build in my opinion. You have the LS, and then you just have the nicer wheels, which are an $800 option, but you have to think too, you get different tires, and the wheels are so cheap relatively to getting other wheels put on that cost 2 or 3 grand that don't really necessarily become worth that. So like I said, definitely the 20-inch aluminums that are $800. Highly recommend, because you also don't suffer ride quality either, at least not enough to be noticeable. See if I can get this thing to turn yellow. There it is.